Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, reader in political science. Today stands before you with a very significant topic relating to Supreme Court of India. And today's video relates with the top 25 MCQs on Supreme Court of India. You know it very well that in India, Supreme Court is the topmost court. And about it, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, a scholar, once told, Supreme Court of India is a very powerful court than any other Supreme Court in any country of the world. No doubt, in every country there is a Supreme Court. But Indian Supreme Court is very powerful than any other Supreme Court in any part of the world. So Supreme Court is a very important topic today. And today we will discuss 25 multiple choice questions relating to Supreme Court. And by this video you will know 25 important informations relating to Supreme Court of India, and you will gain some knowledge. And your knowledge about Supreme Court will be useful for your academic life. Okay, my viewers, we will start one by one. The first multiple choice question relating to Supreme Court is that who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India? Choices are 4. You will have to select one. Okay? Just test it. Harilal J.K. Sundas Kania, Meherchand Mahajan, Patanjali Shastri, Bijan Kumar Mukherjee. So, test your general knowledge. Who was the first Chief Justice of Indian Supreme Court? The right answer is Harilal J.K. Sundas Kania. Harilal J.K. Sundas Kania was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. Okay, very good. Number 2. When Supreme Court of India was established? No doubt in India we have a Supreme Court. But the question is when it was established. Options are 4. Test your general knowledge. Number 1. 26 January 1950, 30th January 1948, 15th August 1947, 14th August 1947. The right answer is 26th January 1950. On 26th January 1950, Indian Supreme Court was established. Okay, already we have completed 2 multiple choice questions with answers. Okay, very good. Then come to question number 3. Supreme Court of India is situated in which place? In India we have Supreme Court, but it is situated in which place? Choices are 4. Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai and New Delhi. The right answer is New Delhi. Indian Supreme Court was situated in New Delhi, the national capital of India. Okay, very good. So it is good going. Okay, very good. Come to question number 4. Who appoints judges of Supreme Court? In India we have Supreme Court and we have judges. But who appoints judges Supreme Court? Options are 4 before you. Number 1, Speaker of Lok Sabha, President, Attorney General of India and Prime Minister of India. The right answer is President of India. Indian President appoints judges of Supreme Court. Okay, very good, excellent. Come to question number 5. Which article says there shall be a Supreme Court in India? Which article says there shall be a Supreme Court in India? Supreme Court is a must. But the question is, which article says? Choices are Article 124 Clause 1, Article 124 Clause 3, Article 124 Clause 2, Article 124 Clause 4. The right answer is Article 124 Clause 1. Article 124 Clause 1 speaks, narrates that there shall be a Supreme Court in India. Okay, very good. So out of 25 questions, we have already completed 5 multiple questions with answers. Rest 20 questions are left. Okay, come to question number 6. It is very important. Which article says about removal of judges of Supreme Court? Judges of Supreme Court can be removed, can be impeached. But the question is, which article says about the removal of judges of Supreme Court? Options are 4 before you. Just test your general knowledge. Article 124 Clause 1, 125 Clause 4, 125 Clause 1, 124 Clause 4. The right answer is 124 Clause 4. 124 Clause 4 speaks the manner in which a judge of the Supreme Court will be removed. Okay, then come to question number 7. Which court has the power to give advice to President? Indian President is the first citizen of India. But the question is, there is only one court which can deliver advice to President of India. Options are High Court of any state, number 2, District Court, number 3, Sessions Court, and number 4, Supreme Court. The right answer is Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India, under Article 143, can give advice to the President. Okay, but the President is not bound by the advice of Supreme Court. It is optional for the President. Okay, then come to question number 8. Which article says decision declared by Supreme Court is binding to all courts? Don't see here. Look towards me and test your general knowledge. Which article says decision declared by Supreme Court is binding to all courts? What Supreme Court will say, it is binding to all courts. Options are Article 120, 138, 142, 141 and 129. The right answer is Article 141. Article 141 says the decision of the Supreme Court is binding to all courts within India. So till now we have completed 8 questions out of 25 questions and we have solved already 8 multiple choice questions. Okay, very good. Then come to question number 9. Which article says Supreme Court has the power to review its own judgment? Supreme Court is the topmost court of our country. Above Supreme Court there is no other court. But Supreme Court has the power to review its own judgment. Which article says? Test your general knowledge. Don't look towards it. Okay? Choices are Article 137, 139, 138 and 135. Right answer is 137. Question number 9, 137. Article 137 says, Supreme Court has the power to review its own judgment. Okay, very good students. Then come to question number 10. Which court in India acts as the federal court? Which court in India acts as the federal court? Federal court means in our country there are many governments, one central government and many state governments. Sometimes between or among governments there are tussles, conflicts. Who solves it? So the federal court solves it. So which court in our country acts as a federal court? Just think. Options are 4. High Court of all state, District Court, Sessions Court and Supreme Court. The right answer is Supreme Court. Supreme Court in our country is the federal court. Okay, very good. Come to question 11. A judge of Supreme Court holds his office until which age? Up to which age a judge of Supreme Court continues? Choices are 4. 63 years, 67 years, 68 years and 65 years. The right answer is 65 years, 11, 65 years. Very good. Come to question number 12. Supreme Court acts as a federal court on the basis of which article? You know it very well that Supreme Court is the federal court. But which article says that Supreme Court is a federal court? Very important question. Just think and decide. Options are Article 132, 133, 135, 131. The right answer is Article 131. Article 131 says that Supreme Court acts as a federal court. Then come to question number 13. Which court is the highest court of appeal? It means in India, if you are not satisfied with the decision of any court, finally you will go to which court? The right answer is Supreme Court. Supreme Court of India is the final court of appeal. Then come to question number 14. Very good. Who gives oath to Chief Justice of India? No doubt in our country we have Chief Justice. But who gives oath? The options are Vice President, Attorney General of India, Prime Minister and President. The right answer is President. President of India gives oath to the judges of Supreme Court. Okay, my students, very good. Come to question number 15. A judge of Supreme Court must be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of which person? Try to understand. A judge of Supreme Court must be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of which person? Who is satisfied? Who must be satisfied with the caliber of a judge? Options are Prime Minister, Attorney General of India, Vice President of India and President of India. Right answer is 15, President of India. A judge must be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. So out of 25 questions, we have already solved 15 multiple choice questions. Then come to question number 16. Supreme Court can issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights on the basis of which article? For the protection of fundamental rights, Supreme Court has the power to issue writs. 5 writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, quo warranto, certiorari, prohibition. But on the basis of which article Supreme Court issues writs? Question number 16, Article 32. On the basis of Article 32, Supreme Court has the power to issue writs. Okay, very good. Then come to question number 17. Who determine the strength of Supreme Court? How many judges a Supreme Court will have? Who decides it? It is under the jurisdiction of which authority? Options are President, Prime Minister, Attorney General of India and Parliament. The right answer is Parliament, 17 Parliament. It is Parliament who determine the strength of Supreme Court. Okay, very good. Then come to question number 18. A judge of Supreme Court gives his resignation letter to whom? A judge of Supreme Court can give his resignation letter to whom? Prime Minister, President, Speaker of Lok Sabha and Vice President. Article 18, automatically President. 18, President. A judge of Supreme Court can give his resignation letter to the President. Then come to question number 19. Okay, my viewers, who is the guardian of the Constitution? Just as in a ATM there is a guard. But who is the guard of Indian Constitution? Options are President, Prime Minister, Supreme Court, Attorney General of India. The right answer is Supreme Court of India is the guardian of the Constitution. Article 9, question number 19, Supreme Court. Then come to question number 20. Supreme Court can issue how many writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights of people? Supreme Court has the power to issue writs, but how many writs it can issue? Four writs, 5 writs, 3 writs and 6 writs. The right answer is 5 writs. 25 writs. Supreme Court has the power to issue 5 writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights like mandamus, habeas corpus, quo warranto, certiorari, provision. Okay, out of 25 multiple choice questions, we have already solved 20 questions and you have gained knowledge about 20 questions. 20 informations you have got. Okay, come to question number 21. Which court has judicial review power? Which court has the judicial review power? Judicial review means anything which will go against the Constitution, it will be declared as invalid. Which court has the power of judicial review? Which authority has the power of judicial review? So options are Supreme Court of India, President of India, Parliament of India and Attorney General of India. The right answer is Supreme Court of India. 21, Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India has judicial review power. Then come to question number 22. Supreme Court is a court of record on the basis of which article? Supreme Court is a court of record on the basis of which article? Which article says? What Supreme Court will say? It is final. It is like record. Options are 4. 124, 125, 137, 129. The right answer is 129. On the basis of Article 129, Supreme Court acts as a court of record. Then my dear viewers, my nice viewers, come to question number 23. Who is known as the interpreter of the Constitution? Who is known as the interpreter of the Constitution? Sometime if there will be any problem in any part of the Constitution, who makes it clear? Who defines it? Options are 4. President of India, Parliament of India, Chairman of Rajya Sabha and Supreme Court of India. It is Supreme Court of India which is the interpreter of the Constitution. Okay, very good. Now only 2 multiple choice questions are left and we will solve it. Question 24. Who will give oath to other judges of Supreme Court? Supreme Court has the Chief Justice and other judges. But the question is, who gives oath to other judges of Supreme Court? The right answer is, the options are Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister of India, Attorney General of India and President of India. Question number 24, President of India. He gives oath to author the Supreme Court. Then the last question, who will function as the President of India when both the President and Vice President are absent? Try to understand. Who will act as President of India when both the President and Vice President are absent? Just think an answer, but keep it with yourself. Options are Speaker of Lok Sabha, Vice Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Chief Justice Supreme Court and Chief Justice High Court. The right answer is ultimately Chief Justice Supreme Court. It means whenever both the President and Vice President will be absent, Chief Justice Supreme Court will act as President of India. Okay, my viewers, in this video you are totally clear about 25 problems relating to Supreme Court. You have known 25 important informations about the Supreme Court. Okay, I'm sure that my viewers will get a lot of benefits. My videos will only be related with the academic sphere. It is only for students. If you are satisfied, you subscribe my channel, like it. Okay, thank you. Again we will be here with another video. Till now, goodbye.